Hi, here we have an ASUS Zenbook. The exact model is UX425E. So this laptop or notebook have an issue with overheating and the battery. So when you unplug the laptop from the power adapter, the laptop shut off immediately. So we're gonna try to open it, try to clean the contacts on the battery, and also clean the dust from the fan, and see what happens. So we remove these rubber legs from the bottom. There are hidden 2 bolts underneath, and there are also 5 visible T5 Torx screws. So there are actually 7 T5 screws on the bottom. So we're gonna remove them, and after that we should be able to remove the bottom cover. So let's see, this one is a little bit longer than the first one we removed from this side. So this one, I'm gonna group it like this on groups. Let's see, I'm gonna remove from this edge also like this, shorter screws. This one also shorter. These Torx are actually more tricky than the standard bolts. So all are the same length except this one. So now let's see. And you begin with one side. After that is a lot more easier. So now gently turn it upside down. There we go. As you can see, yes, there is a little bit dust in here. So let me, the battery. Here is the battery. Here is the battery connector. So let me try to remove the battery first, like a precaution. So also, this is a high-end laptop, so sometimes with removing the battery and reconnecting it and cleaning the contact, some kind refresh itself and detects the battery again. So battery maybe not gonna holding a lot more, but not gonna turn on the laptop immediately after the power plug is disconnected. So we're gonna try this here. First we're gonna clean up the fan, and after that we're gonna check the battery. So we clean up the laptop and we after power it up, get in BIOS. So as you can see, the CPU is heating a lot again. 61 degrees, not good. So we're gonna remove the heating element, and we're gonna clean up the processor and apply new thermal paste. But we're gonna try again to fix the battery. The battery, as you can see, is 99%. But if I have tried to remove the cable, and the laptop shut off itself again. So probably gonna need a new battery. Let's see first if we can lower down the temperature of the processor with the thermal paste. So this is how an Intel Iris looks like without its thermal element. We're gonna clean this up. So, to mention again here, for caution, I disconnect the battery again, so I'm not gonna touch anything on the board during the battery is connected. So what's on thermal pad? I'll blow it off. Let's get this back in place. There we go. We must be sure everything's back as it should be. So now all cleaned up, we're gonna apply some new thermal paste. We hope this will improve the cooling. I usually only apply as minimal as I can. So even a grader, by my opinion, thicker layer of thermal paste is better than that one. So let's see this like this. I'm not tidying up the screws. I'm just only I'm not tidying up completely, just only by one, and after that placing them, I'm gonna tighten up a little bit more, so all the thermal paste form a good layer of, and stick good to temperature element. You just need to add the 3 screws to the fan, and we're gonna try to turn it on again on the laptop. Now we're gonna try one more time to clean the contacts. Of the battery. There's the lock pin on the battery, and we're gonna try to turn it on. Here's the power adapter. To see, and we're gonna turn it on. Capture and delete are taking us to the BIOS. Now we see that temperature is 40 degrees, a little bit rising, 42, 43. It's rising up again. Let me see what's happening under here. Should we try to unplug the cable? So let's see. Nope. It's turning off again. So probably we're gonna need to replace this battery. And we're gonna end up this clip here. So if anyone does any good, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Thanks.